Hi kids. Today, we are going to learn about the letter N. First, we'll start with the uppercase or big letter N. To write the uppercase N, we'll start at the top and do a straight line down. Then go back to the top and do a diagonal line down to the right. Then we'll go back to the top and make another straight line down. Now you try. Great job. Now let's do the lowercase or small letter n. To do the lowercase n, we'll start in the middle and draw a straight line down. Then we'll go below the middle and make a curved line down. Now you try. Great job. Let's do some exercises. Please put a circle on all letter N that you can find inside the big letter N. Great job. Let's learn some words that starts with the letter N. Nest. Nurse. Noodle. Notes. Nine. Notebook. Ninja. Nut. Let's play a game. Please put a check on the picture that starts with the letter N and put an X if not. 9. Notebook. Ninja. Noodle. Hippo. Nut. Great job. Thank you for watching, kids. See you in the next video.